Good morning, everyone. Today with Cooking with Miss Emilia, we're going to be making Fruity Pebble parfaits. It has banana, Fruity Pebbles, and low-fat yogurt, and everything you see will be coming with your Go Pack today. The first thing I put for my parfait was the yogurt. You can make your parfait however you like. You can do the Fruity Pebbles first, or you could do the banana first, however you want to make it. So, but what I did, I put yogurt first. And I'm just going to smooth and even it out. Then I'm going to be putting in the Fruity Pebbles for my first layer. My second layer. But it will be my first layer of Fruity Pebbles, you know. And then there I go again with the yogurt. Smooth it out. Next is the banana. So I forgot to bring a knife, but I'm going to teach you a little survival skill right here. So I just used the fork. Super easy. It's sort of like the same thing. I do recommend making your banana slices a little bit smaller, but that should just be easier with a knife. I do suggest parental, guidance around that, just for safety precautions, unless you use a fork. And then there I go again. I just put I guess I forgot to show you guys that I put 3 bananas in, and then I covered it with a light layer of yogurt. Then I'm just going to do a little bit of Fruity Pebbles. This is my last layer of Fruity Pebbles. And then I just put the rest of the yogurt on top of them. And I didn't mix my Fruity Pebbles with my yogurt. I just, just layered it. Just like that. And then I put my banana, and then I'm just going to move my banana over there. Make it a little look, fancy. Try to be fancy with the Fruity Pebbles, but they sort of just went everywhere instead of looking fancy. But it's okay. And there you have it, everyone, your Fruity Pebble yogurt parfait. This video does come with the Go Pack, so come in and get one. Here's a little cameraman moment by Miss Emilia. Oh, wow. Did that. But I definitely recommend this parfait. It was really good, and I hope you guys have a great day.